I thought today, as it was a lovely sunny autumn day, that we'd come out in the garden. Why not? Be in the fresh air. Does you the world of good. So I thought we'd make some bird feeders. So it's my trusty saw. Oh, I do love this saw. It's bought as a gift. Oh, it's the best thing. I found this metal pot stand, and as the terracotta pot is so big, I thought it would help prop up the top of this tree that had fallen. It's just a fir tree. It's only a branch, but I thought it might do as a makeshift Christmas tree. So anyway, there's some sticks that I decided to just weave around, and they were red. I can't remember what plant they were from, but I just thought they were a pretty colour. I thought, why not? So I was just weaving them, as you do. Made a couple of them, but it wasn't quite thick enough, so I just added some more. Why not? There you go, look. I'm pretty chuffed with myself there. There's some acorn little hats, or whatever they're called, cups. You need some wire. I've got all sorts here. Some spatulas, pine cone, and some bird seed, and some luscious peanut smooth butter. So basically what you want to do is wind the just thin wire, just like florist wire, just wind it around in and out the little seeds, so it holds it together, so it's easy to hang up. I did do quite a lot of wire on here because, well, I didn't want it to snap off. So make a little loop in the top so you can hang it. I just twisted the end over. Make a little loop. And then, this is why I've got my lovely blue gloves on, is I'm going to smother it with the peanut butter. Yep, it's a messy job, all right. And I just scoop it in there. You don't have to use this spatula. You can use whatever you like, but I've got quite a few. So I'm just spreading it all in amongst the little seeds, all the way around. There we go. And now you can see why I've got gloves on. Anyway, that way I thought if I put the bird seed in a tray and just, I don't know, toss the seed over the pine cone, it might be better than, sort of spilling it all over the floor, really. So there, doesn't that look luscious? And then basically, look, just hang it on the roof. Kids, it's so easy for kids to join in and do this. The little Robin was nearby. He was watching my every move. He just didn't leave me alone. So there we go. Time to hang it on the tree. I've made several. This one's got the acorn shucks and just a bit of berry. Tried to make it as wildlife friendly as I can. I don't want to put fake berries out in the garden. It's not fair on the wildlife. So that's my tree. I only made a couple, but to be honest, they've gone within seconds with the amount of birds there are. But hey, they take 2 seconds to make.